Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video we'll again see the blending of few colors with oil pastels. I'm working with Camel oil pastels. So this is Camel oil pastels 50 shades and these are the colors, and the paper I'm using is 200 GSM A5 size watercolor paper. It's a Bristol company. So this I'm working. So let's see, today we'll try to blend two other different colors. So for this first color I'm taking is Emerald Green 117. Okay, I'm taking this and I'll try to blend this with the light green, or yeah, with the light green. Let's see how this works. Okay, so I'm just starting with Emerald Green first. See the way I'm blending, I'm doing it really dark here itself, and the main criteria here it is I don't want to remove the pigment. This is what the pigment we call. We don't want to remove while blending. I just don't want to remove the pigment. So I'm just working this very dark here, and the way I'm coming down here, I'm reducing the pressure, and now here you can see the line, you can see the white spots in between, very few white spots. See, you can see very few white spots in this area, but here you don't have that many white spots. So this is a very dark and this is medium, and the way I'm coming down here you can see more white spots. This means I'm doing it light. So you can see this, right? Now I'll go with the other color, the second color, which is light green. This is 240 light green, and now I'll start the shading and start blending here itself from the emerald green. I'm just coloring it on emerald green first. I'm giving a little bit pressure over here, and I'm covering all the white spaces. I'm trying mostly to cover all the white spaces what are left here in this way, and doing it dark. And here I just want here also the total emerald green, and the way it is coming down. Sorry, this is light green, this is not emerald. So I was coloring on emerald green, covering all the spaces, all the white spaces left, so that becomes easy for us while blending. Otherwise we need to struggle a lot. And the way it is coming down, I'm just making it light. So let us make it very straight in this way. Now let us try to blend the color. I'll be blending this also with earbud. So I don't want to remove all the pigment which has come out at first. So first I just okay, what I told was always blend from light to dark. So here my dark color is emerald green and light is light green. So let us start blending from here. See that there are no white spots. Land the total earbud. If at all you're able to do this, it's okay. If not, you can put a little bit of pressure on this and start blending. A very little bit pressure, so that if at all you're putting more pressure on the earbud, the pigment will be removed. Here the motto is only to blend the white spots, whatever are left on the paper, without coloring. Okay, we are only going to blend that. We are not blending we are not removing the pigment over here. If at all, you can work in same direction how you have applied the color. If it's not working, you can just do it in circular motion. You can just run the earbud in circular direction and start blending this. So in this way we'll do this coloring part, and we'll cover all the white spots. And here where green and light green and emerald green are mixing, there be a little careful and do the blending part even more with care, so that we'll not see that single line, and start blending this in this way. You can just use all the wax what has the oil pastel left and just blend it. Don't remove that wax, so that you can just take this wax and blend it, and you get that dark shade of this emerald green and the mix of emerald green and light green this way, and slowly come down. You can just run one more time, making these soft edges. Try to make the edges a little bit soft, and just color all the white spots in this way. And now when you want to clean all this dust, use either a tissue paper or any soft brush, not hard brush, something very soft brush which is makeup brush. You can just use that, so that will not that will not create any other patches on the paper in this way. Okay, so this is one color we have done, and now let's go for brown color. We'll see how this brown color works. So I just want to go for burnt sienna. So let me, I'll not go for burnt sienna, I'll just go for brown color. Okay, so let's do this. I'm doing it really dark. So here I'll be using only one color. Or you want to use brown and dark brown, even you can use the same. This is brown, and let me go for dark brown. So here I have some white spots in between. Can you see that? I want to cover even those while coloring, so that my blending, when I'm blending, it becomes easy for me, and the pigment also will not be removed. So just do it hard a little bit over here. And now while coming down, you can just lighten your pressure, and you can do this, and later you can reduce even more pressure, and you can just color it. So you can see the difference. Here there are very light, few white spaces, but here there are very many more white spaces, right? So this is dark, medium and light. Now let us try to blend this, or let us use even dark brown. Yeah, this is dark brown, and the above color what I have used is brown. It is 0 to 8, and the other color is dark brown, which is 101. So this I'll start coloring from bottom. I'll just make this part dark. So this is another variation. Here we have done green light, and we have done dark, and slowly gradually we have come down. Now here I'm taking dark brown. At the bottom I'm making it very dark. I'm just covering all the white spaces here itself. Just check that. I'm coloring all the white spaces here itself, and now entering into the brown. So this brown also I'm making it. I'm not, so just blend. Only blend the white spots. Don't remove the pigment. Sorry, I think the video is disconnected. In this way. If at all you are going to run on this area a little bit hard, the pigment will be removed. So be careful when you are working on this. So we have not removed all the pigment, but this is done, and you can just feel free to blend with your finger later to make it even more soft. This way. Okay. Now we'll work on one more color using pink. Or first let us work using brown and yellow. Let's see how this color will do. Medium yellow and brown. But before that, I just want to clean my oil pastel. It is having a mess, because I have worked with red color previously. I have the red color on this. So just clean this. Clean your oil pastels whenever you're working. And this is medium yellow, so it is 256. So let me start working on top with light. Now let me work with light color on top and dark color in the bottom. So I'll be working with yellow over here. So on top I'm making it really dark, very bright medium yellow. And the way I'm coming down, I'm just reducing a little bit of pressure. Here you can see some white spaces, and the way I'm coming even more down, it has even more light spaces. Okay, this way. So you can check. Here I have few white spaces, and here I have more white spaces. So I'll just keep this aside, and now I'll go with the brown, which is 0 to 8, and I'll start working from here using very light tone. Okay, very light tone. I don't want to cover all the white spots, but at the same time want to give a light, color it a little bit light, and then slowly increase my pressure the way I'm coloring, and coming down I just want to make it even more dark. Make this area dark. You can just run your oil pastel once again, so to make it even more dark. it's not that we have to finish the work fast, but it's like we have to do the work perfect. So work patiently, give time for this coloring part or drawing part, then you will definitely excel in this. And now see, now the way how do we blend it? Okay, this is, I'll take another another earbud because both are missed. And now I'll start working from the light color. So here our light color is yellow, so just try to blend, only coloring the white spots, not removing the pigment. I have some few pigments coming out over here. I'm just trying to blend even those in this color and make it even more dark. And here where my brown is starting, I'm just making it mixed. And now see, I'm just doing it in circles so that it will be covered properly. And now here you can see the yellow and brown are different. So just try to blend these colors a little bit in circle shape so that we get the perfect blending. We don't want that one line to be seen. Just work in slanting lines, slanting curve, slanting ovals, so that this will be mixed in this way. Now you can see that it's totally blended in yellow, medium yellow. So now you can't make where the yellow has started and where the yellow has ended and where brown has started. So just take it once again, do it very lightly in this way, and then come down slowly and start blending. And very slowly start blending all the white spots here in this way. This is how we blend it. We haven't removed all the pigment. In fact, whatever the pigment is removed, we have even tried to blend that, mix it and blend it here in this color. Okay, this is how, this is how we have to blend. If at all you feel this area is a little bit light, then you can just run once more your oil pastel and make it dark. There you have the dark color, very dark color. You can increase this dark color by adding even more dark brown or black and make it even more dark the way it is coming down. So for this, I think this is done for this area. So for this, I think you can practice these three colors and even more colors using this technique. So I keep on adding either 1, 2 or 3 and keep on adding. The more you practice, the more you excel. I say this every time. So keep on practicing. I hope you like this video. And if at all you have liked it, please do like and share the video. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe the channel. Yeah, and thank you. Thank you for watching. Keep drawing. Keep on practicing. Happy drawing. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Take care.